This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is
Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back, everyone. This is Not Your Advisor with NYU Grad on Wednesday, January 7th. The U.S. is going to ban large investors from buying homes, single-family homes. I say that won't last much longer than the next housing crash, because although this is a great headline, right? It says President Donald Trump said he immediately taking steps to ban large institutional investors from buying more single-family homes. Quote, people live in homes, not corporations, end quote. This is all great, but when and if housing starts to collapse and prices fall 50% and there's no buyer of last resort, my guess is institutions will be invited back to the table with sweetheart terms and conditions, just like last time. But apparently they're going to do what they can to stop institutional buyers of single family. That, I suspect, will remove a very large bidder in the pool of potential buyers. So this spring, summer should be very interesting on home price valuations. So let's jump into today's session. Busy day, but if I had to sum this up, it was a very bearish session. We closed at the lows. The Mag 4 and healthcare are propping up today's price action. So looking at breadth, we had 204 new highs, 95 new lows, 38% advanced versus 58% decline today. 46% of stocks were below their 50-day moving average and 48% below their 200-day moving average. The Dow was down 466 points or 1%. The Nasdaq was green, 37 points. And the S&P was down 23 points or about 0.3%. Looking at the mega caps, you had Microsoft, Nvidia, both up 1%. Alphabet was up 2.5%. Everything else was red. Apple was down 0.75%. Tesla down 0.36%. Meta down 1.8%. But healthcare as a sector was bouncing or continuing their strength after that initial sell-off the other day. Eli Lilly was up 4%. AbbVie was up 4.2%, Amgen 3.4%, J&J was up 1.2%.
If you're intrigued by what you've heard today, if you're ready to challenge your own assumptions and explore a new approach to investing, then I encourage you to check out Not Your Advisor.
Explore their website.
Listen to a few podcast episodes.
See if their philosophy resonates with you.
You might just discover a whole new way of thinking about investing.
One that empowers you to achieve your financial goals.
And that's what it's all about.
Absolutely.
So until next time.
Yeah.
Keep learning, keep questioning, and keep diving deeper.